I want to point out another few features of this mill. You can see here I've used a CPU cooler with a fan. This is the kind that lets the coolant fluid go back and forth between the cooling fins and the CPU interface. That really worked wonders. The spindle motor was getting pistol hot when I didn't have this cooler on, and now with a simple CPU cooler just strapped onto the motor, it really keeps it pretty cool to the touch. Also, I'm driving the spindle with a regular light dimmer inside of this box. I'm not going to change the speed right now, but you can use a light dimmer which chops the current to slow down the motor. Also, since this is a Unimat spindle, I have obviously many different choices for pulley ratios. Also, I have Mach 3 now controlling the spindle through a spindle buffer. There's an IGBT attached to one of the outputs of the little Chinese stepper motor controller that I have, which really is pretty picky. I had to go through 2 megohms and take the signal out at the 1 megohm point to drive the input to this IGBT, which turns off enough current to drive a relay inside of this box, which turns the spindle on and off and allows Mach 3 to control turning the spindle off. So I can turn it on and off with software, and I can control its speed electronically.